Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to log out from Google Drive. So if you want to log out your account from the Google Drive, here is a quick guide and a simple way to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to move your mouse to this name icon at the right top corner. You can see to tap on it, which is the name icon. Then from here you will find the email that is attached to your Google Drive. So from here, just click on this option right here, which is sign out of all account. So for you to be able to sign out your account, or for you to be able to sign out this email from this Google Drive, just simply click on this, which is sign out of all account. Once you click on it, then this will sign you out from Google Drive, and that is how you can simply sign out from Google Drive on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.